Alright, there's the second one, the final look before paint. There's the first one. Well, I was kind of afraid of this. That's why I was going pretty slow. I was going really slow, but it probably hit a stump in there that it couldn't yank out, and so it broke right here. Hey guys, Kapper here. Today's video is really nothing but a fun video. Somebody may or may not get humiliated. It could be me, or it could be you. A couple days ago I made the Chisel Plow video where I broke the Chisel Plow. Those were actually some of my welds from like literally 12-ish years ago. And so what I'm going to do today is I'm going to show you my repair, my kind of hack repair. There's a lot of people out there that think I'm just a hack. Sometimes I kind of am, but not all the time. So anyways, I'm going to show you my repair here. Not the whole steps I went through, but just the finished product. And then I want you to guess in the comments. I want you to put your guess if you support me or if you say my welds are going to break, because I took it out and I tested it. So put down in the comments whether you think it's going to break again or whether you think this hack-ish kind of repair is going to hold up. All right, there's the second one, the final look before paint. There's the first one, and my weld of the day was that one right there. That was my best one of the day. But they both survived the sledgehammer tests. So, I mean, it's definitely made it much more stout. Is it stout enough? I don't know. I guess we're going to find out pretty quick, though. On the one that broke, I added this 3/8 inch and this 1-inch bar. And a lot of welds. I'll also show you a couple sneak peeks of the action in the day, and maybe a couple other videos to come, because we got a lot going on. And also, if you enjoy our content, please share it out there and hit the like button, because I mean, we honestly feel that we are at least as good as channels like Morgan's and Arms and a lot of these other humongous channels. But only you guys can help us get out there a little bit more, because we really try to bring good content. So anyways, let's have some fun today. Let me know in the comments if you think my hack welds are going to hold, or if this Chisel Plow, aka Ripper Clark, is going to break again on me. And tomorrow I'll put the video up, the full video of how I made the repair and whether it broke or not on the test from today. So definitely stay tuned, and thanks for being on board. Let's have a little bit of fun with this. All right, Kapper out.